In a world where streaming and creating content is becoming more the norm, I find myself trying to find weekly topics of discussion. And this week, I'm discussing creating content. What's goody? It's your boy Rod with Goody Art. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and family. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest from Goody Art. So I started this journey about 3 months ago, becoming a content creator, utilizing YouTube as my main platform. And like most new things, the most fearful part of it is right before you actually start. And once you've done something once, the fear gradually disappears as you do it over and over again. YouTube has become a free space to start a business, advertise for the business, create dope tutorials and dope content, and much more. And the ongoing debate is that YouTube has become an overly saturated market that you can't really carve your own lane in anymore. And I feel as though this couldn't be further from the truth. See, there are many YouTube content creators that just started their journey about 3 or 4 years ago and have been able to grow their channels to 1 million subscribers plus thousands of views per video. Some of which I know personally, some of which I know just purely from watching their channel because I enjoy their content. So this is why I feel like it's not overly saturated to where you can't carve out your own lane. Which brings me to my next point. Enjoy what you do. I think it's very important for you to enjoy what you're doing or creating, mainly because it won't seem forced and it'll seem natural. Studies have shown that people stay more consistent with things that they love doing or that they're passionate about. I feel the easiest way to start a YouTube channel or anything dealing with content creation is to just document something that you're passionate about, whether that's through film, photography, or just writing it down on a blog or a vlog. I think that's the easiest way that you can find to feel comfortable with doing so. And I think by doing so, you'll find that you have more than you could ever imagine to offer to the world. And you could start today, honestly, just using your cell phone. Now, whereas equipment does matter to a certain extent in certain situations, I know many of content creators that just utilize their phone and maybe a tripod at the most. So don't let not having equipment deter you from starting your content creation goals. But also set goals for yourself to actually get the things that you need to utilize your time better and make your job easier while creating content. It costs you nothing but time and effort to start something new, as well as learn something new. You'll find that the more that you do something, the more confidence you have in yourself and your abilities, even if that something is talking into a camera. So trust in your abilities and bet on you. When I started this journey, I set my first goal to get 1,000 subscribers in about a 6-month period. By the way, you can help with this goal by simply hitting that subscribe button and sharing this with your family and friends. I know that getting 1,000 subscribers in that time frame would be a very challenging task, but I also know that if you don't set goals that challenge or scare you, you'll stay content with not pushing yourself past your fullest potential. I recently did a video on balance, which is an important key to achieving anything in life. So do your best to remain in perfect balance in your life. And in this crazy world that we live in, I personally try to keep that balance in between family, work, and personal time, just so I'm able to create content that I enjoy creating, whether or not I have 1 viewer or 20,000 viewers. Lastly, make sure that you incorporate fun in your everyday lifestyle. You know, they say time flies whenever you're having fun, but it also seems to stand still whenever you're doing something that you love and that you're passionate about. So have fun doing something new and creating content, and trust me, it'll drive you to do it more. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest from Goody Art. Also hit that like button for me. It truly helps out the channel. And be sure to share this video with your family and friends. And I will see you in the next one. Well, hello there. Hello. How
already done the work and queued up the next video for you, so go ahead and just click right here. You got it. Click here. Thank you. Hey, did you hit that sub button yet? That like button? Maybe the notification bell. Did you?